Hello, fan collectors. Braxton the Vintage Fan Man here, and what we have here today is a chrome Envirofan Silverline ceiling fan, 56 inches. This thing is from 2016. Now let me go on top of the motor and see. I don't even remember the date. 2013. That's okay. It says 2013 on it. So it's older than the gold line that I used to have. That I gave to milk. Alright, so turn this off. And yeah, got this from the fan page at Fan Nation back in oh yeah, I forgot to oh well. I got this from the fan page on the 2021 group trip when I was on my spree of industrials, which I still am. So yeah. That's the top one. Let's put this on low. Making a little bit of noise. Do that. Turn that off. And these are a pretty rare finish for the Silverline. I don't know why. I don't know if they're still being made today, but all I know is that they are pretty rare. They are pretty rare to come across in public places. I can easily say that. Surprised that is the quarter turn. The variable speed that it's on it has a big range of speeds. I'm gonna need a lot of those. Quarter turn, like a medium-ish speed. This thing is reversible. It has a red wire, so it's reversible. It has 4 wires: the green, white, black, and the red. Red is the reverse wire, for those that are wondering. Another quarter turn. And I'm not going to bother spin down because you guys have pretty much, I think I showed spin down on this, and it's been pretty much showing of everything that's been up on my display. I think it's even beat the gold line. And full power. Moving a good amount of air. Good workshop fan. Underneath, it's pretty good. Oh, I'll have to fix that box later. I don't think I just made a mess. Grab the water check completely. Over here by the water heaters, and yeah, I feel something. Turn that UFO back on. I'm not going to bother to spin down on that today because it takes forever to stop. And I mean forever. So you can see what I mean because it has those. Yeah, it's pretty much. Yeah, the blades are steel. So I think they're steel. But all I know is the bearings are in really good shape. So anyways, hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, have a great rest of your day, folks. And peace.